Namaste everyone. I hope you all are keeping well. Today we are going to make some beautiful bookmarks. Do you know what is a bookmark? Bookmark is a strip of paper, card, fabric or leather which is used to make one's place in a book. So for making these bookmarks you will be needing some craft papers, glue, black sketch pen, woolen thread, scissors or cutter. We are going to make these 3 bookmarks. One will be a rat, another will be a cat and the last one will be a bunny rabbit. If you do not have woolen thread, you can use some other kind of thread also which is available at your home. So let's begin with the rat bookmark first. I'm going to take a deep yellow origami paper and we will be folding this paper in the center like this. Crease it well, match the corners properly, and as you can see after folding this, the width of the paper is this much. I'm feeling that I should cut it here to make it quite narrow. So let's cut the paper here. And after this we need to paste the paper here. So let's paste it here. Now we need to mark the lines here to make the face of the rat. You can directly mark it with the pencil or you can use a scale also. I am using a scale here. I will be measuring this as 3 centimeters both the sides, and here I am marking the center and I am matching both the lines on the center here like this. Now let's cut the face of the mouse. Now I am going to cut 2 ears with this paper for the rat. You can use a pencil to draw the ears first. I am directly cutting it. It will be like an oval. Give a proper shape. And then paste the 2 ears like this. Now let's draw 2 eyes with the sketch pen and a nose here in the corner. Now I am going to take black woolen thread and I will be pasting it like whiskers here. Now let's take another piece of thread, fold it like this and paste it as the tail of the rat here. Now let us keep it for drying and let's begin with the type 2 bookmark. I am going to use an ochre yellow sheet for this. Fold the sheet like this in the center and then we will draw the bunny rabbit on this first with a pencil. So I am going to draw a big oval like this first for the face, and then we draw a small circular body. And then let's draw 2 ears of the rabbit. Now let's cut this. You can see I had folded the paper in the center, so I have got 2 pieces. I'm going to apply glue here and paste both the parts. If you cannot cut both the parts together, you can cut them individually also. Now paste it like this. I have applied the glue only on the half part, only on the part of the face. The body I have kept open, which we will be tucking in the page of the book. Now let's draw the features. I'm going to draw some features with the pencil first. You can either draw the eyes like dots, or you can draw the eyes like this or like this also. So you can choose the expression how you want the expression of your rabbit to be like. Here I have drawn a nose. Now I'll be tracing the expressions with a black sketch pen. You can draw a bow here on the neck, or you can draw a circle also here and color it with the sketch pen, or you can paste a piece of paper also. It is up to you how you want to make the bookmark. Now I'll be taking a piece of woolen thread and I'll paste it like the legs of the rabbit, but on the front part. So here I'm going to paste it like this, and we need to paste a piece of paper also on that thread to fix it well, like this. Now we are going to cut 4 ovals for the feet of the rabbit, for the paws. So here I am going to paste one part like this and another part here like this. So 2 parts, 2 ovals we will be pasting like this here, and the next 2 ovals will be pasted on the next thread. So this way our rabbit bookmark is also ready. Let's keep it aside for drying. And now we will learn type 3 bookmark, for which we are going to use another brown paper. You can choose some other color also for the bookmark, and I am using a black sketch pen to draw the cat first. Let's use a scale here to draw the line, and now we will cut this. Now we will be using a black sketch pen to draw the ears and the features on the face. Again, as I said, you can draw your own features. I'm drawing it like a cat is resting in the book. That is why I'm drawing the expressions like this. You can draw your own expressions. This way we will be drawing two legs of the cat, and we are going to use a cutter to cut these legs here. Now we will be making these lines bold, and we will be drawing the paws here with the sketch pen. And now I will show you how you can use these bookmarks in your books. Suppose I am reading this page and I want to go somewhere. I'll just put this bookmark here like this, and I'll close the book. Once I come back, I'll start from that page. Let's check the rabbit bookmark. You can put the rabbit bookmark like this here in this page. And let us check the first bookmark which we had made, the rat one. So I'm putting the rat bookmark here in this page. So whenever you want to stop reading a book at some instance and you want to remember the page, you can just put a bookmark there and resume your reading from the same page. So enjoy the activity and take good care of yourself. Thank you.